Bow windows are one of the most elegant and impactful window upgrades you can add to your Dallas home. Known for their curved design and expansive glass panels, bow windows instantly brighten interiors, expand views, and add architectural interest that elevates any style of home, from traditional Texas brick houses to modern urban builds. For many Dallas homeowners, replacing old, flat windows with beautiful bow windows has become a top choice for improving comfort, curb appeal, and overall home value. If you're considering new windows, here are the top benefits of installing bow windows in Dallas residences. More natural light for brighter living spaces. Dallas enjoys abundant sunshine nearly year-round, and bow windows help homeowners take full advantage of it. Their curved structure includes multiple glass panels, usually 4 or more, allowing sunlight to enter from several angles throughout the day. This design brightens interior spaces without relying on artificial lighting, makes rooms feel larger and more inviting, enhances the natural colors and features inside your home. Whether placed in a living room, dining room, bedroom, or home office, bow windows create a warm, uplifting atmosphere that makes any space feel more open and alive. Expanded outdoor views of Dallas neighborhoods. Bow windows offer wider, more panoramic views compared to standard windows. Instead of one flat perspective, you get a sweeping, curved view that brings more of the outdoors into your home. This is ideal for overlooking gardens, landscapes, or backyard spaces, enhancing views of parks, lakes, and tree-lined streets in many Dallas neighborhoods, enjoying seasonal scenery, sunsets, and sky views. For homeowners who love the outdoors, bow windows create a beautiful visual connection between indoor and outdoor living. Enhanced curb appeal and architectural style. Bow windows instantly elevate the look of a home's exterior. Their gentle curve adds dimension, elegance, and a touch of luxury that sets your home apart from others on the block. Benefits include a more distinctive home facade, increased architectural depth and visual interest, a timeless design that complements both classic and modern homes. Bow windows are one of the easiest ways to dramatically improve curb appeal without major renovation work. Better ventilation and improved airflow. Although bow windows are primarily known for light and style, they can also improve ventilation when paired with operable side windows. Many homeowners choose casement or double-hung operable panels on the ends of the bow window. This allows fresh air to flow in multiple directions, reduced indoor stuffiness, better airflow during warm Dallas summers. Improved ventilation contributes to a healthier, more comfortable home environment. Increased interior space and functionality. Because bow windows extend outward, they create additional interior space. Homeowners often use this new area as a window seat or reading nook. Extra shelving or built-in storage, a display space for plants or decor. This added space not only enhances comfort but also boosts the functionality and charm of your interior. Energy efficiency options for Dallas weather. Modern bow windows can be customized with energy-efficient features designed to handle Dallas hot summers and occasional cold snaps. Popular options include low-E glass coatings to block heat and UV rays, insulated frames to reduce thermal transfer, argon or krypton gas fills between panes, high-quality weather stripping for improved sealing with proper installation. Bow windows help reduce energy costs and stabilize indoor temperatures year-round. Increased home value and market appeal. Dallas homebuyers love natural light, spacious designs, and upgraded architecture, and bow windows check all 3 boxes. Installing bow windows can significantly boost resale value, making your home more attractive to potential buyers. They also signal quality, care, and thoughtful upgrades, which give your home an edge in a competitive housing market. Final thoughts. Bow windows bring beauty, functionality, and energy efficiency together in one impressive upgrade. For Dallas homeowners, they're an excellent way to brighten living spaces, enhance curb appeal, and create a more comfortable and distinctive home. With professional installation and the right materials, bow windows offer long-lasting value and daily enjoyment for years to come.